One of my favorite foods is lentils, and they are incredibly cheap and they are really good for you. So what I'm doing today is I'm making lentil steaks, and then I'm cutting them up. Then I'm going to throw some barbecue sauce on that and put it on a bun like this. So it's going to be a nice sandwich. Put that together with a nice salad. It's going to be a very delicious lunch. My salad dressing is going to be yellow mustard, blue agave, and some vegan mayo. This is what it looks like after you mix it all together. It's absolutely delicious. By the way, the recipe that I'm using only uses half a cup of lentils. This is 1/4, this is 1/4, and there's 2 more steaks that are steaming right now. So imagine you can get all that food out of a half a cup of lentils and some Vital Wheat gluten. Amazing. Okay, I added the barbecue sauce, some salt and pepper to my lentil steak, and now it's ready for the sandwich. Okay, here's the finished product. These are my lentil steaks on a toasted bun, with a little vegan mayo and chili powder and cumin. Bon appetit. Just a little bit of barbecue sauce on them.